What is another way to represent the expression 3n minus 1 times n squared plus 2 minus 4? I'm going to do the strategy we just did in the previous problem in question number 8, is I'm just going to multiply the first two and just see what I get. 3n times n squared is going to give me 3n squared. Class, is that one 3n squared? No. This one's a little bit tricky. You would have to distribute in this problem, but there is no n squareds. This one is n squared times 3n, so that would give me a 3n squared. So this one's a possibility. This one says 2n times n squared, which would give us 2n cubed. So it can't be that one. And then I have 3n squared. So I know it's either B or D. So let's go ahead and I'm going to probably multiply it up. So I'm going to multiply these two first. I'm going to write those on the outside, 3n minus 1. And then I have n squared plus 2. (3n times n squared), 3n cubed. 3n times 2 is 6n. N squared times negative 1 is negative 1n squared. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. This would give me an answer of 3n cubed minus 1n squared plus 6n minus 2. Now, a common mistake is to forget this small little piece right here, this minus 4. So don't forget the minus 4. 3n cubed. Oh, I made a mistake. I see my mistake. Minus n squared plus 6n minus 6. So my mistake was I realized in multiplying that it should have been not 3n times n squared. So let's write it out. 3 times n squared is there's 3 n's. So I should have been looking for 3n cubed. And the only one that has a 3n cubed is this one. Right? N squared times 3n is 3n cubed. So the correct answer is B.